When it comes to home improvement projects, installing a new door might seem like a straightforward task. However, the expertise and precision required to achieve a perfect fit and finish are often underestimated. For homeowners in Pell City, investing in professional door installation can bring a host of benefits, from enhanced aesthetics to improved security and energy efficiency. Let's explore the top advantages of hiring a professional for your door installation needs. Precision and expertise. A professional door installer has the experience and knowledge to ensure that your door is fitted correctly. They understand the nuances of different door types, frames, and materials, ensuring a snug fit that enhances both functionality and appearance. DIY installations often result in uneven gaps, misaligned hinges, or doors that don't close properly. Professionals eliminate these issues, ensuring your door operates flawlessly from day one. Enhanced energy efficiency. In Pell City, where seasonal weather changes can be significant, energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners. A poorly installed door can allow drafts, leading to higher energy bills and discomfort in your home. Professionals use advanced techniques and materials, such as weather stripping and proper insulation, to seal your door effectively. This not only keeps your home comfortable year-round but also reduces energy consumption, benefiting both the environment and your wallet. Improved security. Your front door is one of the primary barriers protecting your home from intruders. A professional installation ensures that locks, hinges, and frames are securely fitted and reinforced. They can also recommend and install additional security features, such as deadbolts or smart locks, for added peace of mind. With a professionally installed door, you can trust that your home is safeguarded against unauthorized access. Time and cost saving. While a DIY approach might seem cost-effective at first glance, mistakes can lead to expensive repairs or replacements. Professionals get the job done right the first time, saving you from the hassle of correcting errors. Additionally, they come equipped with the right tools and materials, eliminating the need for you to purchase or rent specialized equipment. By investing in professional services, you save time and avoid potential complications. Aesthetic appeal. Your door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A professionally installed door enhances curb appeal, making a positive impression on visitors and potential buyers if you're considering selling your home. Professionals ensure clean lines, smooth finishes, and a seamless integration with your home's overall design. Whether you choose a traditional wooden door or a modern glass design, a professional installation ensures it looks its best. Access to high-quality materials. Professional door installers often have access to premium materials and products that aren't readily available to the average consumer. They can recommend the best options for your specific needs, whether it's a durable steel door for added security or an energy-efficient fiberglass option. Their industry connections may also allow them to source these materials at better prices, giving you better value for your investment. Compliance with building code. door installation isn't just about aesthetics and functionality, it also needs to comply with local building codes and regulations. Professional installers are well versed in these requirements and ensure that your installation meets all necessary standards. This is particularly important for fire-rated doors or doors that require specific safety features. Warranty and support. When you hire a professional for door installation, their work typically comes with a warranty. This means you're covered if any issues arise after the installation. DIY projects don't offer this same level of protection, leaving you to bear the cost of any mistakes or unforeseen problems. With a professional installation, you'll have peace of mind knowing that support is just a phone call away. Customization options. Every home is unique, and a professional installer can help tailor your door to fit your specific preferences and requirements. Whether it's customizing the size, incorporating decorative glass panels, or selecting the perfect hardware, professionals can bring your vision to life with precision and expertise. Conclusion. Professional door installation in Pell City is an investment that pays off in numerous ways. From enhanced security and energy efficiency to improved aesthetics and long-term savings, the benefits are undeniable. By choosing an experienced installer, you ensure that your door not only functions perfectly but also adds value and beauty to your home. If you're ready to upgrade your doors, don't leave it to chance. Contact a trusted professional in Pell City today and experience the difference that expertise can make.